Look at her.
Oh,
Look at her.
oh.
She's trying to
Oh my gosh, look at her. Look at her get the fish.
Yay!
It's like, why is everyone yelling?
That's so exciting!
Can you move it away from that?
No, honey, what do you need?
No, you can go out this way.
There's a door here, sweetheart, if you want.
Look at you.
She's crawling.
You know.
Oh, look at her.
She's so
She just learned today. Yay! You did it! You did it! You got your fish!
Lori put it over at the end of the rug and she got it.
She got it. She just decided to crawl today.
There's
early.
Anna with her
Don't
puppy.
they sit before they crawl?
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't sit.
No, she doesn't sit.
But which one was it that never crawled? She just kind of unched? Or Jessica?
That was Jess.